Hello! Welcome back to the Burdu channel. In this video, we are going to show you how you can include calculations directly inside your automated WhatsApp message templates for your customers. For example, inside the message template, you can display calculations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. This can be used to calculate the total order price plus shipping, processing fees, or subtract discounts, and more. Let's take a look. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, click the like button below, and turn on the notification bell so you'll stay updated with our latest tutorials. Go to your Burdu website dashboard. Open Apps, then find the WhatsApp Template app. For a full explanation of how to use WhatsApp templates, you can watch the video linked here, or click the link in the description. Here, you can create a new template or edit a template you've created before. Let's create a text template, for example, a payment reminder for customers. Pay attention to this part. Here, I'm using a formula that adds the product price and the shipping cost. The way it works is simple. You just add basic math symbols such as plus, minus, multiply, or divide between the first and second variables. Where do the variables come from? You can see the available variables on the side panel here. There are variables for total product price, individual product price, shipping cost, discount, processing fee, and more. You can type the variables manually or copy and paste them. Just make sure the variable names are written correctly. If you're not familiar with variables yet, you can watch the video linked here first. Now let's test the calculation result in this WhatsApp template to make it clearer. Click Save. Go to the Orders menu, then open All Orders. Previously, I've already added a WhatsApp template button here. If you don't know how to add the WhatsApp button, we've covered it in another video. I'll explain it briefly. Go to Columns, add a new column, search for WhatsApp template, then set which template will be used. Choose the template we just created, for example, payment reminder. And also choose the sending method. For example, I'll choose WhatsApp Web. Now, to send the WhatsApp template, just click the WhatsApp button here. WhatsApp Web will open automatically. As you can see, the template message is already generated. The variables have been replaced, and the total amount shown here is the result of adding the product price and the shipping cost. For example, product total, $100. Shipping cost, $20. Total payment, $120. Let's check the invoice. The amount matches. The product price plus the shipping cost equals $120. Now, what if we want to use a different formula, such as subtraction? Go back to the WhatsApp template. You can edit the existing template or create a new one. For example, we want a template that shows the original product price and a 50% discount. You can use this example and adjust it based on your needs. The key point is how the formula and variables are written. Click Save. Now go back to the Orders menu. Here, I've prepared an order that already has a 50% discount applied using a voucher code. If you want to learn how to create discounts for customers, whether product discounts or shipping discounts, you can check the link in the description below. Make sure the WhatsApp button is set to the template you just edited or created. Now click the WhatsApp button and send the message. As you can see, the original product price is $100, and the final price shown is the price after a 50% discount. You can also use this feature for multiplication and division. You just need to replace the math symbols in the formula based on your use case. That's it for this tutorial. Hopefully this is helpful. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the Burdu channel for more helpful tutorials. Follow us on social media for more website design tips and updates. See you in the next video.